Welcome to Chef Bro. Today I will be showing you how to make a salad recipe as well for your diet. So for that I've taken a potato, some cucumber, some mint leaves and some onion. So for that I would put those aside and now take a pan and put in some sesame seeds in them. Once I place in around about 3 spoons of sesame seeds in the pan, I would put it onto a mid flame and brown it a slight brownish tinge on it, so that once it's slightly brown you would need your blender at the side to grind this and make it a little fine. So I've taken the mixie and I would be putting it in and also blending this. So once this is blended, because you would need this for your salad, so now I've blended it and you can see out here now it's not completely fine, so you need to blend it slightly on a rougher tone. All right, now we take a pan and put in some mustard oil, and you can see while the oil is being heated up, once it turns hot you would need the mustard oil. All right, so first of all what I'll do is I would cut up the potatoes in pieces accordingly to the size that I want. So I've cut them in cubic size, and you do not go too small because the potatoes will smash when you are going to be mixing the salad. So we've cut them up and put them aside. Now what I will be doing is I will be cutting all the potatoes and then I will be putting it into a bowl in which I would be making the salad. You would need to mix a lot of ingredients together. So I'll be using basically 5 or 6 ingredients in this recipe, and it's going to be really mouth-watering. And the same way, hopefully you're going to enjoy this recipe too. So I've cut the onions as slices. I've sliced them in the bowl, and you can see I've added them with the potatoes. So once the potatoes are cut, you add in your sliced onions, your cut cucumber, and of course the coriander leaves. So once you are adding in those, you need to add in the powder which we had made and kept aside in the mixie, the sesame seed which we had made it in a powder form, but a rough powder form, as you can see. So we've added that in, and now what I would be doing is I'll be adding in some more ingredients which we need to make it more delicious. So I'll add in some chili powder, and also I would be adding in some salt. After the 2 spoons of chili powder, I would add in some chaat masala, and of course we've added 2 spoons of chaat masala. Now I'll put in some jeera powder, some black salt. So the jeera powder is the tossed brown jeera powder. Now I've put in some black salt to taste, and then we're going to mix this up all together. So once you're done with this, you got to mix this all up all together, and then we would be adding in some more ingredients, which is the coriander leaves and the lemon which we left aside. So we put in the coriander leaves, and now we should squeeze in the lemon as well. So now I will go with the lemon and squeeze it in so it gives the most of the flavor. So the ones who love sour, of course, do comment in the comment section below. I hope you all gonna enjoy this recipe if you try it at home. If you do not try it, you're not going to enjoy it, I can assure you that. So we put that all aside. Now we take in some more, this is what we've done. We've warmed up, heated up the mustard oil on the pan. We've taken some fenugreek seeds in it. So those seeds we will add with some chilies, sliced green chilies, to give a spicy tinge and a spicy taste, so that it makes it more delicious. So I hope you're going to really enjoy this recipe. So do let me know in the comments how you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to hit a like, share and subscribe, those who have not subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much. See you back with more videos and more new recipes. Love you all.